What's up, everybody? It's Andrew Jones here from Ford. Right now we're going to do a quick tutorial for you guys on the all-new 2021 F-150 tailgate and what it has to offer. Check it out. Key fab here. 2 clicks of a button, this thing drops. Where we're going to start first, just like a lot of our Ford clients know, that the F-150s in recent years all have a built-in tailgate step, which is super handy. The nice thing about this tailgate step now on the 2021s, when you have a built-in tailgate step, every single truck is going to come with a built-in workbench. So we'll come take a closer look at this. 2 different rulers, inches and centimeters for all your measuring, cutting needs. Now the nice thing Ford's done is they've also added a couple nice little touches. So if I'm working away here and I needed to have a YouTube video on show me how to do this, I got a place to put my phone. If I got some screws, little bolts, I got a place to put that there. Maybe even a nice hot beverage on a cold day like today. Another nice thing added to this, it's all about the little things, man. It's all about the little things. When you're cutting your wood, when you're measuring your wood, Ford has put in C-clamp holders, or I guess C-clamp slots. That's a tough one to say. All you do, push that in and put your C-clamps down on both sides. Your wood's not going anywhere, or whatever you're cutting. If you need to drive with your tailgate down, Ford has put in just these small little tie down, I guess, holders on the edge. But wait, there's more. These are also beer bottle openers. So for the boys that are tailgating after the football game, after the hockey game, Ford's got you covered too. So many nice things on the inside of the box on this thing. We got LED lights through it so that you can see what you're doing. 400-watt plug-in for your drills, your saws, whatever you might be using. Nice and easy, nice and efficient. Ford really wanted to make sure this year that we prove that this truck isn't just the most fuel economy, has the best fuel economy, the smoothest ride, the most spacious ride of all the half-ton trucks. We wanted to prove that this was also a working man's truck, and Ford once again has done that very nicely. Easy to put away. Boom, boom. When you're done your work, close it up. Badge of excellence right on the back. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you later.